The unstoppable rise of Sigma females. Sigma females are special women with unique qualities that make them stand out. They are known for being independent, creative, and confident. Understanding Sigma females is important because they often break traditional rules and bring new ideas and progress. By talking about Sigma females, we want to show how they are making a big impact on society and shaping a better future for everyone. Let's look at 5 powers of Sigma females. Number 1. The trailblazing spirit of Sigma females. Sigma females are leaders who bring new ideas and set trends. They break stereotypes in many fields like business and art. These women show the power of being different and pushing boundaries. Their innovative spirit not only changes the present, but also helps create a future full of creativity, diversity, and progress. Through their fearless pursuit of excellence, Sigma females inspire others to use their unique strengths and make a lasting impact on the world. Number 2. Empowering communities through Sigma female leadership. Sigma females help and uplift communities with their leadership and advocacy. They work on projects that focus on social impact and positive change, making a big difference in many lives. Their efforts to promote inclusivity and diversity create a fair and welcoming environment for everyone. The positive effects of Sigma female leadership are seen in various communities, as their dedication inspires others to work towards a more just and inclusive world. Through their passion and drive, Sigma females continue to be catalysts for societal progress and positive change. Number 3. Innovative problem-solving approaches of Sigma females. Sigma females are known for their unique ways of solving problems, driving innovation and progress. They tackle challenges with creativity and resilience, finding new and unconventional solutions. By looking at problems from a fresh perspective, Sigma females bring new ideas and inspire others to think differently. Their innovative problem-solving shapes the future by addressing complex issues and advancing technology, business, and society. Through their adaptability and creativity, Sigma females make a lasting impact on creating a more dynamic and forward-thinking world. Number 4. Catalysts for change. Sigma females in action. Sigma females are powerful agents of positive change, leading movements and inspiring others to make a difference. They work on important issues like social justice, environmental causes, and promoting equality. Their influence in sparking movements and driving progress is strong, as they lead by example and encourage others to create a better world. The effects of Sigma females' actions are wide-reaching, promoting a future where compassion, empathy, and empowerment are key values. By standing up for what they believe in and taking action, Sigma females continue to be beacons of hope and agents of change in an evolving world. Number 5. Sigma females shaping tomorrow. Sigma females play a crucial role in shaping the future and driving innovation. They help create a more inclusive and forward-thinking society by challenging norms and breaking barriers. Their unique perspectives and trailblazing spirit pave the way for progress and inspire others to think boldly and creatively. The potential impact of Sigma females on future generations is huge, as their actions today set the stage for a more equitable and empowered tomorrow. It is important to recognize and support Sigma females in their efforts, as they continue to lead the way towards a brighter and more promising future for all. Conclusion. Sigma females are forces of positive change, shaping the future with their innovative approaches and determination. From their trailblazing spirit to their unique problem-solving skills, Sigma females contribute to a more inclusive and forward-thinking society. It is essential to recognize and celebrate the significant impact these women have on shaping tomorrow. As viewers, we should support and uplift Sigma females in our communities, acknowledging their contributions and amplifying their voices. By standing behind Sigma females and championing their endeavors, we can collectively work towards a brighter and more equitable future for all. As we reflect on the key insights shared, it becomes clear that silence is not just an absence of noise, but a strategic tool that can empower us to navigate life's challenges with grace and resilience. By following the example of Sigma females and harnessing the power of silence in our own lives, we can unlock our full potential and make a meaningful impact on the world around us. We invite you to take action today by subscribing, liking, sharing, and exploring more content on our channel. Join us on this journey of self-discovery and empowerment.